What's up, people over here? So, I'm the entertainer, performing some magic tricks and stuff for everyone in this carnival. So, we'll try this. I have a pen, okay? Someone just get your hands out. Anybody. Alright, perfect. One more person, choose anybody. So, okay, perfect. Just get your hands out. Just get your hands out. Place it like a penguin, Perfect. Face each other in the sense of like shoulder shoulder. Yes, perfect. Alright. I'm gonna come in between like here. Okay, watch this, guys. You all are standing, you guys are facing each other. On the count of 3, you both have to fist bump each other. Okay? Fist bump each other, but one of y'all must cross their hands when they fist bump. Cool? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Do it. And hold it. Hold it. Okay. Perfect. Fist bump. Hold it. Okay? Watch this. Since you crossed your hands, I'm gonna draw a cross on your hand. What is that? A cross. An X. Correct? How cool will magic be if I take this X out of your hand and put it right here on your hand? Teleportation. Right? Watch this. Okay? All I gotta do is just take this X. Wait, let it dry first, but then I gotta take this X out of your hand, teleport it. You see there's a connection with you guys holding. It looks like I'm rubbing and squeezing it, but and I'll go ahead, place it once, twice, so the line should come. It goes all the way in your hand. Now. What happened? I said in your hand. Tenang.